another time. Rana swika zwino amalume wa burine wena burine Def Diori auzi next ne
where are the people? You have to witness what's happening right now.
Yeah,
you have to witness what's happening right now.
Okay,
we are live at someone is calling. We are live at Afrotainment Studios, and I've got the one and only Makadzi.
Makadzi Waborine.
Makadzi all the way from
Venda.
Venda! Oh, my eye!
No. I'm sorry. Sorry, very much sorry. I'm sorry. No dombra farelo or sorry bad. Jeti a win sorry bad. No dombra farelo. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Nkela barmini. Nkela e.
Makadzi Waborine. What in Makadzi Waborine?
Makadzi Waborine. Makadzi Waborine na DJ Chira Waborine.
Okay, guys, we've just we're working on a song, Working on a song. So we just want to give you a little bit of a taste of a song.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? It's a super collab. So I hope you like it. So nzisa kancane nje hayi kakhulu. Nzisa kancane ne. Malume with Makadzi. Hope it's gonna be a great combination. Love you guys. Thank you, Mr. DJ. Okay.
What is someone of DJ call me?
Chosala horido kambi wa rote Kikunerio kambi wa fenda Chosala horido kambi wa rote Yormini Tapana batata kush Kana stileto Anda neti na haso Tapana batata kush Kana stileto Anda neti na haso Yormini
Okay, can you tell them what does the song say?
Okay, this song, it says, let's not drink here, hapa debene, because debene, bafuna amagushi and amasileto and minang now, net now, so let's go drink ko Venda, because Venda vela ziyaboya, either umbale imafong kong or what we can drink, because oksala yosiyo dakwa song, guys. Yeah.
Yo, let's play it just one more time, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just a little. Oksalayo so dakwa song.
Yeah,
Aibo!
Whether you're drinking Isropez, what, but oksalayo
so dakwa song.
What is someone of DJ call me?
Thank you for the love. We'll be back.